Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Stock Price Predictions. If you would hit that like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Now, boy, do we have a lot to talk about today. A lot of things going on that are affecting the stock market, if we're going to turn around and go for a bull run or if we're going into a bear one. Now, when I did the FOMC live stream, I had over 1,000 viewers watching. So I'd really appreciate if y'all hit that subscribe button for me. That way I can build up my viewers and have more people watching when I do my live streams. The live stream was great. The FOMC meeting went pretty good. It was pretty bullish. So let's get right into the FOMC meeting. Jerome Powell, the Fed, he did raise the interest rate 75 basis points, which the market was already pricing in since the Monday before due to a leaked text message or email. So the market already knew that we were getting a 75 basis point hike before the meeting. So the market was already pricing that in. That's why Monday, everything took a huge hit and everything dropped. So the 75 basis point hike is good. That will help to get inflation down. Plus, that's also going to reassure us that the Fed is actually going to do his job and bring inflation down. So the markets did like that, and hopefully next week we get a bull run, and the market should continue to like that. Because the one thing holding us back from getting these markets to turn around is inflation. Once inflation starts to come down, the market is going to go on a bull run. Trust me, we have been in a downtrend for 8 months. We have been in a downtrend since November. Okay, inflation is what is causing this. First sign of inflation coming down, market's going to react, markets are going to take off. Do not be scared right now. Now is the time to buy stocks. Not a financial advisor, so do your own research when investing. But remember, you want to buy and be greedy when others are fearful. And then you want to be fearful when it comes to the market when others are being greedy. Right now there's a lot of fear in the market. There's a lot of discounted prices. So in the long run, when you buy now, when the stocks go up, you would be making more money. Now, one thing that's going to cause, another thing that will cause a bull run to begin is the CPI report for June. Now that's going to come out in July, early to mid-July. So if we can get inflation to come down and we get a good report in July, which we probably will, we will start to get a bull run. Okay, why do we think that the inflation is coming down in July, on the July CPI report? Why? Well, that's because trucking freight has gone down. Trucking freight is down over 25%. It is costing a lot less for truckers to ship freight and to ship merchandise, okay? So with that expense going down, that's going to drive inflation down. Also, air freight is down. Air freight is down over 25%. With that being said, the market will start to react and start to go for a bull run due to these prices going down. That will cause inflation to go down. Market will go for a run. So we got freight going down. We also have inventory going up. Inventory going up because people are buying less and spending less money. Inventory is up 60% at Walmart, also 60% at Target. Their inventory is just crazy right now. Also, they can't get rid of the inventory they have. Okay, when you walk through there, everything's on sale. Everything's on clearance. You got 30% off this, 40% off that. You got clothes on sale. You got TVs on sale. Inventory's up. Okay, foot traffic going into stores is down 30%. Okay, less people buying, inventory going up. Drives the price down. Inflation is going to go down. Okay, I believe we are at a bottom. We are coming to a bottom in the stock market. Why? Because inflation has peaked now. It is going to start trending down. Even gas prices are starting to tick down here in Florida. Okay, they've dropped 20% from yesterday. So gas prices going down, freight going down, inflation going down, markets going up. Okay, we even got a up on the interest rate, 75 basis point, which means that now the 30-year mortgages are at 6.5% right now. If you're trying to get a 30-year mortgage, they're at 6.5%, which means you can afford less of a house, which means people can't afford as much, which means the housing prices are going to come down because people can't afford what they could with the lower interest rates. Now, Bitcoin, wow, Bitcoin took a big hit last week. Okay, in the last month, it's down 30%. Why? Because you know what? That's the last thing to be hit in this bear market right now. Everything else is taking a hit. The Russell 2000, the small caps, the mid caps, big tech. Okay, big tech was the last to fall. Everything has to fall for the bear market to end and for the bull run to rally. Right now, crypto's getting hit. So that's the last sector to get hit. All right. Now, Bitcoin, I believe, is at a bottom. Why? Because Bitcoin has been bouncing off 20K, 21K for the last couple of weeks. It has not gone below that. So, with that being said, it keeps hitting the bottom there and bouncing up, bottom there, bouncing up. This may be the bottom. We got the Fed finally reversing, raising interest rates. All the sectors have now been hit. Things are looking good. You know, it looks like we're starting to get a U-turn and things are starting to turn around. Now, retailers, everyone sold. We've got, you know, the big finance companies selling, banks selling their stocks, selling their index funds, you know, hedge funds selling, everyone's selling. But the only people not selling are retail. Retail investors are still buying, still holding stocks, especially in the TQQQ. Okay, they are buying. That's one of the most popular retail stocks right now. All right, they are buying that. Okay, the most popular retail stock right now is Amazon. Okay, then we got TQQQ, and then we got Apple. Okay, so retailers are buying and holding this dip. Okay, so that's good. Usually the bear market doesn't end until everyone sells, but right now retail is not selling. So I still think we will hit the bottom before retail sells and doesn't hold anymore. So the CPI report for May that came out in June was at 8.4%. That was high. Everything started peaking back up. Okay, but I think when the July report comes out for June, CPI report will come down. Inflation will start to tick down. So if y'all would please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button. I'll make another video later. And thanks for tuning in, and I will see y'all on the next one.